Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Pizza Tower. Today we are going to be beating the shit out of a little infant, and hopefully we can get a P rank today. So yeah, let's get right into the fight. You will die tonight. Bombs. You putting bombs in my face right off the bat. Mother yucker. I knew it. I didn't forget, like I might have done beforehand. Get out of here. Of course, it's the other pogo. Thank God there's no bomb though. Haha. Babushka, time to die. Da ba ba da 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 ha ha da 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 da. Bombs? Oh. Oh. Fuck, I was gonna use that. Explosion. Don't care, get out of my face. Aha, I remembered. Huh. Die! Haha! I have beat you! First try as well. 100% totally legit. Oh fuck, you got a gun. Ha! Have fun with your wife, dog. Yahoo! Defeat noise without getting hurt. Let's let's a fucking go. Let's go. Yay. I haven't heard that melody in a good fucking minute. And now goddamn it, hold on. Why? If I recall correctly, that makes this whole island P ranked. Only got 2 more worlds to go through. Yay! Oh my god, guys, I can't believe it. We beat the noise first try. Yeah, I wish. As you guys can see by the runtime, and for this shitty bit, all the fails are after the win, so for those who just want to see the win, you can get the fuck out if you want. I don't really care. For those who want to see the whole video, go ahead. Just chill. Watch me fail multiple times. And for this fucking bit to work, you will see me exit a lot. So, yeah. So let's cut to that right now. Have fun with the compilation. Bye bye. What? Okay, starting up another recording. Hey guys, yo, what's goody? We're gonna beat the shit out of the noise. It's gonna be a short video. Come on to the noise. I gotta beat your ass, and I can finally finish this damn world after a few years. Yeah. Bitch. Oh, panic. Bitch. Ah, god damn it. Bitch. The noise is gonna die tonight. Oh, what's last? Oh, it was a jetpack. Oh. Goodbye, noise. I'm here to beat your ass. I have no interesting dialogue since I'm just tired after the last level. I'm not gonna lie, guys. Oh, it took me too long. Like, literally, I don't know what last time I recorded. I need to shut up and focus. Come on, noise. I actually don't know what the last time I recorded that was, or like when I started the fucking thing. Ah! Come on, noise. Beep. Oh! Boing. Oh! I'm not gonna be ruled off by your Ah! Oh! Almost got caught lacking, bro. Face 2! Get out of my face! Oh, no, no, no. Oh! Big boom. Ah, fuck's sake. I can do this. I can do this. Ah. Fuck. Ah! Oh. You're gonna cycle one each? Nope. 1, 2. Thank God. Goodbye. Boom. Boy, trying to throw a escape on it. Ah. Alright. No, I ain't trying to get caught lacking again. No! I am not trying to get caught lacking, bitch. Get out of here! Oh, that's the skateboard. One done. Ah. Oh, I literally stopped at the one point, bro. Ah. Of course you do this one. Ah, god damn it. Goodbye, noise. Time for phase 2. Fake out. Oh, I jumped right into the fake out. Oh, bitch. Oh, you bounce on me. Hold on, I need to do this for the bit. I'm gonna lock in. And I'm gonna do this. Okay, let's go. Get out of my face, noise. Nah. You saved me. Oh, fuck's sake. Oh, that bomb caught me so off guard. Okay, the second pogo is just iffy on the bombs, dude. God damn it. Ugh. Die. No! It's still a fake out. Oh, you waited! Goodbye, noise. Now, let me beat you in the second phase, please, my friend. Ah! Ah! Try to taunt, man. Babushka. I don't know why I'm saying babushka. It's a... Goddamn jumpy thing. Ah! Fuck! Ah, fuck's sake. Ah, that was lucky. Get out of my face. Bah! Alright, last one. Fuck! Get out of my face. Boom! I only got a bomber boy now. Ah! Oh, I forgot explosion. Oh, I would have had a too. We do. What's the last one? It's, of course, it's Pogo. And a bomb! Fuck! Ah. Bombs away, you can't be seen. I'm gonna push you into the wall, bro. More bombs? Shit! Ah! Fucking bitch! Oh, get out of my face. Bye bye. Bah! Ah, fuck's sake! Ow. Get on my face. Get on my face. Not the jumper one. I'm getting all confused. I'm forgetting what part I am on because I'm so new. Yeah. What the fuck? Pogo. Doggo. It's a no-show. Pogo. Let's go. Find another way around this bullshittery. Little infant baby, the one fucking trying to make me angry, running around in pointless circles, fighting the noise in the world. It's pointless, you see. Struggling just makes you weak. You don't see what I have choice. If I plan to be the noise. Da 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 da. Just skateboard. The skateboard, ba boom. Come on, noise, give me what you got. Fuck. I did not mean to do that. I meant to throw it at you. Fuck! Bam. Dun 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 dun. Time to destroy the noise. Fuck. Oh, can't you see the noise dancing around inside my mind? You can't see what it truly means to be a noisy little shit. The noisy don't give a shit. I don't know what else to rhyme with shit. Cause this motherfucker can eat. Ah! Okay, I just need to play the game. Yeah! I am goated at this game, bro. Ah! Ugh. I don't like the noise. Fucking hate him. Fuck. Bah, fuck you. Fucking god. I'm going to. So bad timing. What the hell? Babonga. Another pogo. A bomb. Fuck. No. Whoa. We're at the end of the video now. This is totally now like 5 seconds after the other fucking bit at the beginning. Oh, So yeah, that's it for this video. Today we P-ranked the noise after like 30 different attempts across like 3 different recordings, I believe. Because I recorded directly after the other videos. P-rank, which is the Gnome Forest one. And then I stopped recorded like 2 weeks, like a week later, stopped recording, and then I recorded now, which is like 2 months later. So, yeah, it just took a minute. I got preoccupied by playing other games and, you know, not wanting to do this fucking level because fuck this kid. And wanted to do the bit also added on to that. So, yeah. Hopefully the bit was worth it. So, yeah, that's all I gotta say for now. If you guys want to, you can like, comment, subscribe, turn notifications, and share this video around. See you guys or whatever the hell I post next. I don't know what it's gonna be. But yeah, that's all I gotta say for now, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye!